STEP 0171 class. I really enjoyed getting to know you last week, and thank you for providing some more information about yourselves on the student information questionnaire. It's very helpful for me to know your preferences, know if you have any technology issues, and so forth. So, thank you for your work this first week that we had. This week, we will be looking at resources, getting help, and writing your mission statement. So you can read about the learning objectives for the week with the first item in the module. You'll read chapter 2 from the book. And then I want you to use this assignment, this worksheet here, to calculate your GPA. So the assignment says for a 2.0, which will put you in good academic standing, which is our goal. If you're already at a 2.0, then what is your next goal? So maybe it's a 3.0. So you can adjust it accordingly to where you are and your overall GPA. And remember, you can log into ACES and look at your transcript to know exactly what your GPA is at this time. There's a list of helpful resources. I will say that, we have a variety of resources on the SAC campus, from a writing center to math tutoring to tutoring in other areas, the Empowerment Center, the Student Advocacy Center. I mean, the list goes on. We really, truly are rich in the number of resources that we have. I find that sometimes students don't know what resources are out there. And so hopefully by going through this chapter, because there's information in your book about resources, as well as looking at some of these handouts and activities that will help familiarize you with the resources on campus. Now, I will caution you, I just ran into it yesterday. I had a student come in and I recommended that she go to the Writing Center. And thank goodness I looked it up on the website because they had actually moved locations. And since we've all been, in the pandemic and not on campus consistently, I had not realized that they had moved. So the website's also a really good place to check for hours and location and phone numbers and so forth. So you have that activity. And then lastly for this week, you will do your mission statement. So your mission statement is a requirement as part of your Alamo GPS and something that needs to be loaded in there. So you may already have something and you may want to tweak it or work with it. Your mission statement should be about 3 to 5 sentences long. It should be positive and it should be something that when you read it, it inspires you. Here are some questions or ideas that will help guide you in writing your mission statement. I'll tell you, I have my mission statement right by my sink. So every morning when I brush my teeth, and last thing that I look at night when I'm back at the sink, brushing my teeth and washing my face for bedtime, is something that I look at. So, yes, we write mission statements. Yes, it's a requirement, but I also encourage you to post your mission statement somewhere that you can see it. It helps center me, it helps guide me, it helps remind me, my things to do list, why I'm getting through it, or why I have my goals and so forth. So I hope that you will find your mission statement as important to you as I find mine to myself. So make sure you work on this activity here. So all your activities for this week are due on Sunday, October 31st. Yes, that's Halloween. So remember, you have all week to work on these assignments, so you don't have to wait for Halloween night to work on that. I don't want to spoil any plans that you may have. So make sure that you plan accordingly. And know that you can always reach out to me. You can reach me by email. If you would like to Zoom during student hours or make an appointment to Zoom with me for any questions or extra help you might need, I'm more than happy to do that. Or if you happen to be on campus, I know this is an online course, but if you're on campus and you want to stop by my office, we can do that too. So I look forward to reading your work this week, and I hope you have a wonderful week.